What is up, guys? Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the crashing of Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So first, you need to install the Steam application by going to the official website of Steam. And after installing the application, you will see this type of application dashboard. From here, you need to hover to the library section and then click on Home. When you click on Home, on the left side here, you will see your Call of Duty Black Ops 6 game. Hover to that game and then right click on it, and after clicking here, you will see the option of properties. Click on that, and after on properties, you need to click on install files. After clicking on install files, you will see the option of verify integrity of game files. Click on this, and this will verify all your game files that you have installed for this game. So if any file is damaged or is lost, that's what's the reason that is causing the crashing of your Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So once that file is found, you can just reinstall it, and then your game will run smoothly without crashing. So this is how you can solve it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.